I love rabbit.
Oh!
Stop your underarrest.
What looking at?
I really don't like sharks.
Hey guys, welcome to the Real Talk Intensive course. Let's see if you guys can answer a random question. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I want to live in Hokkaido. If I live in Hokkaido, anywhere would be fine because the average annual temperature is low.
Where do you think you'll be in 5 years? How about 10?
I think I will get smarter. I think I will be old in 10 years.
What annoys you?
I think summer vacation, homework at school, and cleaning my room annoys me.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I go to the movies once a month. I prefer going to the movie theater. My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
If you won $1 million, what would you do?
I wanna buy a PS5 and a smartphone, and then do what I wanna do.